My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
You have two friends. You see, man, you know, you have two friends used to walk and do work for people. So, one of the friends say, today I want to say, boy, tired for work up and I work for people, so all the while, you know, man. You save one money and you buy one cacao, you know? You buy one cacao, man, and meanwhile, we are run up and down and buy time, you know, time will come that we can get to go increase our time. They want to see him on a good businessman and they work and they work and they work and they work and they don't want to save you money. So you go buy one cow, one nice cow. So when you go buy the cow now, like you and him now, you go buy the cow. Him hate you for that. Him hate you like dog, you want to kill you for it, you know. So, you go for the same science man. And say to science man, say, I want a job for you, you know. He say, what kind of job? He say, brother, I want a friend, man, and me and my used to do some work, and the man go buy a cow, brother. And the cow will produce good, man, the cow will grow nicely, man.
So, not really to cut you, but it puzzled me, really puzzled me. If you know, say, a next person has succeed, a survive in life, I would have war to bring them down in that
They
way.
look at that devil, man.
What kind of mind set a person like that?
That devil are work so I see so devil turn. Devil are much try to much of that plan.
Him and him virgin are work together. And him virgin say, you know, me buy one cow and
cow.
save me can better myself.
Yes.
Why him never say, you know, say me buy one too? Why have to
He always say more buy one too. He always say that. But he never buy. And his friend, two friend draw the plan. His friend work towards the plan and buy a cow. So he decide say, money wife decide say, oh, knock him down, kill him. So he go to the man and say, why want to kill Johnny no man? He say, why you want to kill him? He said, man, go take him and go see what money and go buy a cow, man.
Just for one cow.
And right now, man, a better me. Man say, alright, how much you pay for the cow? He say, £5. He say, we are charged £10 for killing. The man say, yes, man. And he go, he say, whenever you find the £10, you come back here and pay me, I'll kill him. And he go, work hard, and I find the £10. I can't go to the man to kill the man. He say, alright, let me £10 here, so come check me back Friday. Go and I'm not sending to him. Go check me back Friday. He say, alright, sir. He come back Friday. Come early too. And I say, why go on? He say, boy, I'm in the day. He say, where your friend are going? He say, boy, in the day with you come. He say, alright. Because he man, he asked him, say, if you want one cow, he say, yes, man. But remember who? The man pay £5 for your cow. And he might charge you £10 to kill the man. You can buy 2 cow.
2.
You know what you say as man do? Say as man go buy 2 cow. And say, and he come and say, alright, go put 3 there so. You see 2 cow. Pick one you like. And he go there and he say, so you see them, he say, yes, man. He said, anyone you like, take it. And he pull one, he said, one woman. Still get your code. I £10 when get you over man.
To kill him friend.
Over man take you by 2 cow. I give him 1.
And if him did smart, I think him could have buy.
You know, I know if him this smart, a drunk for business, dog shit, people them there.
Badmind, man.
No, he want to come.
That's what you call badmind.
He want to come, but he mind the on one side. Me want to come, but me no want to see my friend have nothing. If he dead.
Be them thing that go on the world right now.
Be that.
You buy one white van. Man, I tell you, you should have buy the blue one.
Why? Me buy me want buy, man. You buy what you want buy.
You have on the slippers because your foot hot and you don't like when your foot hot. Me I tell you, say your hard boot you must wear.
Don't tell me for where, man.
You know what I mean?
Me do me and you do you.
This,
Go away.
the other call the man name in the but for wisdom say me not call the man name.
Right.
The same science man you know, was a good man you know. Two man. Do you look over here so far? Two man you saw two man.
How does that vibrate so?
Are you more than go so man? Go ahead. Go ahead.
My God.
You know, so you don't like to look ahead.
Joel, you take a remote and go say?
Well, I
No,
know.
sir.
You don't see the back move. Anyway, watch it now. The two of them walk up and build people grow. So the other one say, look at no man, you have to work on ground for yourself, you know. We can't work. You can work ground for yourself, man, and you can work for people. They say, yeah, man. So the two of them go. So he come under one tree. Badmind will go under a tree and him just he sit down. Look up into back and see there. He say, just when you come tomorrow, find this so go around so. That me I go do. And the other one do I go man and my lease, mash it and far camps it man. The walking ground and him every day go. He say, boy, this when you come back tomorrow, don't do some me start from me now.
That I want to sit down and make tobacco.
And the other one a walking ground and all of a sudden the ground start to come. And them that both of them wife, them always meet up over there. And the wife say, like when I say, the time you grown big and nice, see man. No, Franco, you know if you grown no so big and nice. Yeah man, tomorrow when we come man, I don't see me a go man. Don't see me a start from. And the wife they carry lunch at daytime. Him sit down on a tree near me lunch and do no. So him say, boy, me kill a man here. Kill a man here. You gonna get too big man. So you go for the same science man. I could have tell you science man name, but me not call him name.
Tell me.
And you go for science man say, he said to the science man say, why me come here, why have no job you know man? He said, where job go? He said, one of my friends them man and the man show off bad for me man. He said, what you mean show off? He said, man, the man the side and side, I work banana man grown just big brother. Yeah man, plant and banana and cane everything. And for me grown not even have nothing. Man say, alright. I charge you such and such to kill him. I have to stop you. You want me to stop him from work or you want me to kill him? He said, want you to kill him. I charge you such and such to kill him. Man say, alright, pay me. Go home. You know Godi.
Mm-hmm.
Guess one of the biggest Godi you can find. When you get it, carry it come here. Took up on the donkey man and go search me, don't know if find that the big everlasting man from. And he see alright, he come with it and the man, the man bless her. Take his son and mark one little hole round his son. A little peeny hole. He said, when you go home, open this hole and dig out inside of that body. Dig out everything from inside it.
Using that little hole.
Yes.
What a task.
Dig out inside it, no left nothing inside it, make sure it's clean. When you're done with it, it must light. And you go home and you know what kind of weapon you use, what kind of tool you use, and clean out it. And you go back up and say, me clean out it, man. Man say, maybe know if you clean enough. Man feel it, say, okay, clean. Yeah, man, you do a good job. You say, alright. You get more money? He say, yeah, man. Give me. He said, go home. Anyway you are work. Carry this body. Either you go dig a hole, or you will no matter where you put it, but you have to put it straight. Don't make it lean. And you must, you wear a undershirt. He say yes. Whenever time you work, wring out the sweat in this body. Every work you work and sweat. Wring out your sweat. Don't throw no water in it. No, stop. Wring your sweat. Tell this goat full.
God.
When this goat is full, you bring back this goat to me and no make nothing drop out. And if you piss in it, I put any other water in it, you are go dead. He said, no man, you go sweat, put me sweat. And he go man, he said, wife, get your plan, make it, get what you kill man, you know. So he said, right, go on man, and him, he go there, and he get him machete and he pick and he start walk. Start walk. No boom, walk. You wanna walk. You want to kill the man. You go the fool. You go there and he say, "Come on, see, go there, man." He say, "Fool." He say, "Yeah, man, are you pay sweat?" He say, "Yes." He said, "Then how you going to know?" Man, me pass him long time.
That's right.
You ever man using head
Mm-hmm.
man.
Me
You ever
pass.
man knows that bullshit him a keep up.
Mm-hmm.
I
Or
work,
kill
you
him
not
and kill him.
work.
Work him now.
Yeah.
I work, idiot.
You trick him.
Mm-hmm.
You not tricky me, say nigga work.
Yes, I didn't go work.
Making things better.
The man say, oh you.
That's a good one.
He
Yeah,
said,
man, that's a good one, man.
my man say,
Only percent in that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
my man say, when he come with the gold man, he say, yeah man, see it man. He said, you sure it's a piece with tonight? He said, yes man. You know what money taking for full that shit?
Amount of hard work.
I'm out of hard work. He said, how you going to give him? Me pass him long time man. I'm out of yam and banana me plant. Pass him long time man, I'm growing big and film. Man say, right, go make your ass, yeah, don't look too wicked.
That's it.
I work for work.
That's it.
I work for work.
That's right.
Yeah, try kill man for them have.
Mm-hmm. That's a good one.
Yeah,
Man.
yeah. Yeah, try kill man. Go work.